Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done? I think we jumped back.
Whoa! The big bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator!
You have no idea how to use it.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that.
Rocket, get us home.
You know what really helps? An instruction manual. 100 stories high before
I will destroy you.
Yeah, we get that all the time. Here. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. The Milky Way just
Milk gives me gas.
We're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, link your star blasters. We haven't been paid,
But not for long.
Our world would have been perfect.
yeah, well, nobody's perfect. It's Epcot.
Remind me to raise our rate.
Thanks, Terrence.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that case?